Greetings of the moment, respectable everybody. Welcome to our Genius Campus. Myself, mentor come teacher in biological sciences from Genius Campus. In this video session, I am with our Genius Campus grade 8th kids. They want to participate in a small activity. Let's see what activity they want to participate and what is the aim, procedure and materials and result. So before that, a brief introduction by our Genius kids. Please, miss, one by one.
Hi Genius, greetings to you, myself Shimra.
Hi Genius, greetings to you, myself Maheshwari, I am from grade 8.
Hi Genius, greetings to you, myself Shivaliti from grade 8.
Hi Genius, greetings to you, this is Henika from grade 8.
Hi Genius, greetings to you, this is from grade 8. Hi Genius, greetings to you, this is Adi from 8th class.
Hi Genius, greetings of the students. My name is K. Govardhan Acharya, grade of 8.
Yeah, mister, please, your introduction.
Hi Genius, greetings to you. Myself
Harsha, yeah. So Genius kids are there here. Then Miss Amika, she wanna lead this activity. Okay, Miss Amika, please.
Welcome to Genius Activity Session.
Yes.
Today we are going to perform the activity named fermentation.
Fermentation.
In biological science.
Okay, yeah. Fermentation.
Miss Hemika, what is meant by fermentation?
The conversion of glucose into alcohol, carbon dioxide and a little amount of energy is called fermentation. Alcohol is released in the fermentation.
Okay, please.
Miss Hemika, what are the things are used in activity?
In this activity, we need two transparent tumblers
Yes. Plastic tumbler.
and two lids
Okay.
to close to cover the transparent tumblers.
Okay. Next items.
We need maida,
Okay. Maida we need. Next.
yeast powder,
Yeast powder. Yeah, here we have yeast powder. Okay, next.
and sugar.
Yeah, sugar also we need. Next.
We need a cup of water.
Water. Okay. So here yeast powder nothing but, dear kids, we knew already microorganisms are different groups. Protozoa, algae, fungi, bacteria, virus. So yeast powder, I mean yeast comes under fungi group, unicellular organism. So this yeast is responsible for fermentation, conversion of glucose into alcohol and little amount of energy and carbon dioxide. And finally alcohol smell we can sense. So she wanna do the procedure, observe carefully. Please miss, continue the procedure.
Take one plastic tumbler
Okay, next.
and pour water for half of the tumbler.
Yeah, please transfer that. Transfer into the tumbler, yeah. How much water we have to take?
Half of the tumbler.
Half of the tumbler water, okay. Next,
Take 2 spoons of maida and stir it well.
yeah, 1 or 2 spoons and add, what we have to do? Stir it well, yeah. So observe everybody, dear kids. Next, after that what we have to do?
Take 2 spoons of yeast.
Yeast powder, 1 or 2 spoons of yeast powder. She is adding, please add carefully. 1, 2, yeah.
Stir it well.
Stir it well or mix well.
And take 1
next.
or 2 spoons of sugar.
Finally we are adding sugar, 1 or 2 spoons of sugar. Yeah, mix it well, stir well. Mix or stir well properly. After doing this all,
And close the tumbler with the help of a transparent lid.
yeah, with the help of lid we have closed that tumbler, that entire mixture. What is there in the tumbler mixture? Please tell once again. What is the mixture?
The mixture of water,
Yes,
maida,
yes.
yeast powder and sugar.
Sugar. So 4 items we have mixed there. So 5 to 10 minutes we have to leave. Then what will happen after 5 to 10 minutes?
It smells like alcohol.
Yeah. If we sense the smell after 5 to 10 minutes, it gives us alcohol. Alcohol smell like beer or brandy or whiskey. A little concentration smell we can get. So why we will get that smell?
Because of yeast cell.
Because of yeast cell. So yeast convert the glucose molecule into alcohol and carbon dioxide
and a little energy.
Energy. This entire process is known as
Fermentation.
fermentation. What this entire process is called? Fermentation. So this is an activity to prove fermentation. In the next video, our kids, they will try to sense the smell and they will prove that either the alcohol is formed or released or no. This is the result. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, dear everybody. Signing off.
Thank you, Genius Management and our mentor, come subject teacher of biology, and our classmate. Signing off, Levika. Thank you.